Hello everyone, today I will bring you a tutorial on manually compiling source code plugins with ue5. First open the empty ue5 blueprint project. Here I built it in advance and demonstrate to you that this project is empty. Then close it. Create a new folder called plugins. We will copy the source code plugin later. We found a source code plugin and copy it to the plugins folder. We can click source to see the CPP file inside. This plugin function is to export face controller data. Click yes. At this time, the engine will try to automatically compile the plugin for us. But this time there will be an error. It will prompt us to compile from the IDE manually. Below we demonstrate how to compile plugins from IDE. First delete the source code plugin from the plugins folder. Then open the ue5 project file. Click Tools. Select New C++ class. Choose None. Click Next. Click Create Class. ue5 will automatically create a VS project. Here you need to install the VS 2022 software on your computer in advance. The engine will automatically help us create a VS 2022 C++ project. It will automatically open this project for us. We click on the ue5 window. Turn off this project. Come to our VS 2002 project. It's in Games. Our new C++ project. Right-click on the project and select Generate. At this time, the VS project will help us automatically compile the newly built empty C++ project. Compile the empty project to check whether our entire process is correct. If the compilation is successful, it means that the entire ue5 engineering configuration is correct. If it fails, you need to reconfigure your VS 2022 environment based on the error message. Next, show how to compile the source code plugin. Find the previous source file. Copy it to the plugins folder. Right-click on the upreject project file. Select Generate Visual Studio Project Files. At this time, ue5 will automatically help us regenerate VS projects. Then open the VS project. Click to reload all. At this time, we are under the plugins file. You will see the source code of the plugin. Then right-click the project and select Generate Compile. At this time, the engine will help us automatically compile the plugin. Show collections for. At this time, we double-click the upreject project file with the left mouse button. Open our project and take a look. At this time, we will see our plugin button in the menu bar. Similarly, let's demonstrate how to compile the plugin groom to ABC. This plugin can help users export groom assets as ABC files from ue5. Let's copy it to the plugins folder. Similar regeneration versus project. Then open the VS project and select Reload All. Then right-click the project file and click Generate Compile. At this time, VS will help us automatically compile the plugin. Shows compilation successful. We add the dependencies of this plugin to the ue5 project file. We use a text editor to open the ue5 project file. Then copy these two required dependencies to the project file. Pay attention to using punctuation marks in English here. Then delete the last punctuation mark. At this time, double-click to open the project. We compiled plugins without seeing the menu bar,